What's up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to learn how to solve the white cross on a Rubik's Cube. Now, this video might take a while to learn because there's a lot of steps and algorithms you need to learn. But when you get used to it, it's not that hard. So, first thing that can happen, you can have nothing. All yellow pieces are facing the centers that are not yellow. So, basically, it's like this, and we call this a dot. Now, the first step of getting a yellow cross is to make an L, which consists of three pieces being yellow, such as this one, the center, of course, and this one. So basically, two of these edge pieces need to have yellow up top, and not these ways. So the first thing we need to do is pick any color to face towards you, like you could have blue facing towards you, orange, green, red, but I'm going to go with blue. It really doesn't matter when you have a dot. So the first step is to move this piece, the face that's facing you, 90 degrees to the right. Because we have to do an algorithm. And if you do the algorithm with the right hand, like this, we'll mess up these layers. And so we don't mess up these pieces over here, we turn it out of the way. So we turn this face 90 degrees to the right. And then you do the algorithm, which is up, left, down, right, with your right hand one time. So we go up, left, down, and right. And then we put this piece back up, like that. And then, as you can see, we have a yellow L right here. And this is what we want. Now, the next step is to make sure the L is in the top left position on the cube. So right now, this would be top right, bottom left, and top left. So you want the L like this. So kind of like a backwards L, because this is the correct L according to alphabet, and this is the backwards L. And now with the yellow L in the top left, we turn this face 90 degrees to the right, like how we did to solve this. And then we do the algorithm with the right hand one time. So we go up, left, down, and right. And then we put this back down. And then you see we have a yellow line. And when you get the yellow line, you do the algorithm you just did one more time. So we turn this face 90 degrees to the right, and then you do the algorithm with your right hand one time. So we go up, left, down, and right. And then you turn this 90 degrees to the left. And these are still good and in place. And then you have the yellow cross. But take note, because this is very important. You can have the yellow cross all grid like this, yellow, but these also have to match up. So there's two steps of yellow cross. And while solving this part of the yellow cross, four things can happen. A dot, an L, a line, or the whole cross could be finished already. And then you can move on to the next step. And all four of those, the dot, the L, the line, and the cross, you learned in the previous minutes of this episode on how to solve a cube. So, now on to step 2 of the yellow cross. So two things can happen while solving the yellow cross, step 2. And it's when two of these are in the correct places, like this, are next to each other, or on opposite sides. Then with this one, we can see if we turn the top layer one time, these two are in the correct places. But these two are not. So, with one of those being correct, so you want to this side of the cube and the back side of the cube. And then we kind of do a weird variation of the algorithm you use a lot, which is up, left, down, right. So we can do something like that, but we turn it to left 2 times. So it goes like this: up, left, down, left again, up, right, right, down, left. And then with that, you'll have all of these pieces, and with that, all of these pieces will be in their correct places. But if you get the variation of where the 2 correct pieces are in the front and the back, but not the left and right, you do the same algorithm again, but with one in the front and one in the back. So we go up, left, down, left, up, right, right, and down. And with that, the front edge will be in the correct space, and the right one will be in the correct space. So these two are not in the correct space. So then you do what we did before, one on the right side and one in the back. And the 2 incorrect ones in the front and the left. So we go up, left, down, left again, up, right, right, down, and left. And then all these pieces are in the correct spot.